friends, this is from Ella and Olivia and it's called Cupcake Catastrophe. Chapter 1. Ella and Olivia are sisters. Ella is 7 years old. Olivia is 5.5 years old. They live with their mum and dad and their little brother Max. Ella is busy baking. She is wearing an apron and holding a wooden spoon. A packet of flour is open and there are sprinkles of flour everywhere. Ella doesn't mind getting a little bit messy when she cooks. Olivia is helping Ella in the kitchen. She helps her big sister with everything. Together they are looking for 2 mixing bowls. Ella is going to make one mixture. Olivia is going to make the other. There is a recipe book propped up on the counter. It's called Cupcakes for Princesses. Mum had bought it for them. She thought it would be perfect for little princesses. Olivia and Ella aren't really princesses, but they are going to make cupcakes. Ella has a long ponytail and green eyes. Olivia wears pigtails and has freckles. Her hair is a little bit thinner than Ella's for now, but Olivia hopes it will be the exact same shade one day. The girl's little brother Max doesn't have a lot of hair yet. Probably when he does, it will probably be the same color too. One day, Ella wants to be just like her big sister. Ella's good at netball and loves to draw. Olivia loves dressing up and pretending to be a fairy princess. Ella and Olivia both love to cook. Ella and Olivia are good at helping Mum in the kitchen. Max is always also helping. He is sitting on the floor of the kitchen playing with a wooden spoon and saucepan. Bang! Crash! Max likes making noise. The girls are excited. They are going to make cupcakes for Dad's birthday party is this afternoon. Mum has bought lots of candles for the birthday cake. All the family will be there. Their cousins Charlie and Joss are coming. Uncle Stur and their favourite Auntie Laura are going to bring a big chocolate cake. Nanny and Granddad will arrive in their trusty old camper van. What colour icing should we put on the cupcakes? Asked Ella. Bang! Crash! Max answers. I like pink, says Olivia. What about you? Ella needs time to think. Dad doesn't like pink very much, Ella says. Then she has the brainwave. What about the colours of his favourite footy team? Ella says. Good idea, says Olivia. The girls are getting the ingredients ready. Baking is fun, but first you have to make sure you have all the right things to put in the mixture. Have we got everything we need? Ella asks. Olivia expects the counter. There is flour, milk, butter, and eggs. Let's start cooking, says Olivia. Chapter 2. The girls are going to make 2 kinds of cupcakes, orange and brown. Those are the colours of their dad's favourite footy team, the Tigers. I love cooking, Olivia says. Olivia's favourite thing to make includes toast and cereal. I love cooking too, says Olivia. Sometimes Olivia helps Mum mash the potato in the saucepan. One day I want to be a good cook like Mum, Ella says. What about me? Dad grumbles. He crept into the kitchen. I can cook too. He says Dad is good at cooking pancakes and eggs. Sometimes Max tries to help him. But now Dad should not be there. The cupcakes are a surprise. Dad, cries Ella. We told you not to come in. Ella can be very bossy. Out you go, Mum says. Okay, says Dad backing out of the kitchen. Mum is reading another recipe, so together the girls start with their own. They carefully measure the flour and the milk. Where's the sugar? Ella asks Olivia. I'll get it, Olivia says. She hops down from the bench. The kitchen pantry is budging with all sorts of things. Which one is sugar? Olivia asks. Starts with S. Ella repeats. It's handy to have a kitchen helper like Olivia. Olivia sees the packet that starts with S. She can tell from the squiggle lines that it's on a higher shelf. It has white paper and pink letters. Olivia reaches up on her tippy toes. Got it, she cries. The girls mixture out the final ingredients and put everything together. They each have their own mixture. Bowls, stir, stir, stir. The mixture gets nice and thick. No glugs, no lumps, says Olivia. That's a secret to a good cupcake batter. It has to be smooth. No lumps, no glugs, repeats Olivia. Is that what it says in the cookbook? Olivia nods. Mum comes over to inspect their work. Well done, girls, she says. Ella is very excited about the cupcakes. She and Olivia are making them all by themselves, just like big girls. Ella thinks Dad will be very happy. Mum puts on her pretty oven mittens on and checks the temperature on the oven. Nearly hot enough, she tells the girls. The next thing we'll have to do is to put the cupcake mixture into the patty papers, she says. The cupcakes are cooked in the patty papers, which are placed on a patty pan for baking in the oven. They have enough room to make 24 cupcakes. I'll make 12 orange cupcakes, says Ella, and I'll make 12 brown cupcakes, says Olivia. They must put 1 neat spoonful of the mixture in each patty pan. Mum helps with the first few, just like this, Mum says. She puts a perfect scoop of the batter into the patty pan. I hope mine can be as neat as Mum's, says Ella. Olivia hopes so too. It takes a few tries. Soon they get the hang of it. The girls nearly scrape the sides of their bowls. They are nearly finished. Ella and Olivia can't wait for the cupcakes to be ready. Chapter 3. Mum puts the patty pans into the oven. The timer has been set. Now they have to wait for the cupcakes to bake. Tick-tock, tick-tock. The minutes tick by. Ella looks at her watch. How much longer? Asked Ella. About 20 minutes, says Mum. A watch pot never boils, she says. Instead, Ella and Olivia help Mum clean up. They clear the counter. They wipe up the mess. Now they have to make the icing for the cupcakes. Together they get the next round of ingredients ready for Mum. There is icing, sugar, cream, cheese, butter, and hundreds and thousands. Ding-a-ling, the oven cries. Mum checks the oven. The cupcakes have rise. They are puffy all over the patty pans. Good girls, Ella says. Ella and Olivia, Mum says. It looks like you have a perfect cupcakes. The girls can't wait to see what it's like. Mum takes them out of the oven. She rests them on a rack on the counter. They smell so good. Ella wants to eat one straight away. Don't touch them yet, Mum warns. You might burn your fingers. She says, they're not for you, Olivia says. They're for Dad, she reminds Ella. The cupcakes look lovely and golden on the top. They smell yummy. Now we are going to make the icing, says Mum. Olivia fetches another wooden spoon from the drawer for her. Olivia holds up the cupcake for princesses. For Mum. Mum puts on her reading glasses. A bit of cream cheese, says Mum. Ella hands her the cream cheese. It has gone super soft from sitting on the bench, but that's okay. A lot of icing sugar, says Mum says. Olivia hands her the packet of icing sugar and some butter. Mum adds the ingredients to a bowl. She uses the electric whizzer. Brrr. Ella and Olivia watch. Soon the lumps and the bumps mixture turns into smooth. Mum stops to have a look. The mixture is a creamy yellow. She takes half the mixture out and puts in another bowl. We need one mixture to be orange, says Mum, and another will be brown. Ella is being very careful. She squeezes 2 drops of orange food dye into one mixture. She squeezes 2 drops of brown food dye into the other. Good girl, Ella, says Mum. Olivia stirs the mixtures. One mixture turns orange, the other turns brown. Well done, Olivia, says Ella. Little sisters can be very helpful sometimes. The guests are nearly here. The girls put the icing on the cupcakes and sprinkles hundreds and thousands on the top. The cupcakes look amazing. You better get ready for the party now, girls, says Mum. Ella goes to her room. She knows exactly what she will going to wear. Mum has laid out her favourite lace dress with white spots. Ella finds her good shoes in the cupboard. They are shiny, pattern leathered. They have buckles and a very small heel. Ella goes to the kitchen and does a twirl. Mum is braiding Olivia's hair into a plait. Olivia has a new dress and her favourite shoes on. We are ready, the girls shouted together. Mum claps. So are the cupcakes, she says. Chapter 4. The girls are nervous and excited. The cupcakes look so pretty. They want Daddy to be happy on his birthday. But will the cupcakes taste good as they look? Both girls have signed the birthday card. Ella drew it especially for Dad. She loves to draw. Olivia added a flower and Max drew a special lion in an orange crown. Have you got Dad's present ready? Mum asks. Yes, Ella says. She has the gift in her hands. It is a joke book. Dad needs some new jokes. Ella reads it the first time just in case. She reads some out loud to Olivia too. It was very funny. Dad and Max put balloons on the front gate. There is even a sign that says party. The balloons are orange and brown, a perfect match for the cupcakes. Ella feels very pretty in her dress. Hurry up, everyone, cries Olivia. They can't wait for their cousins to arrive. The cupcakes look delicious, but before the girls could do a taste test, the doorbell rings. Ding dong, the guests start to arrive. Nanny and Granddad at the front door. Granddad is wearing a tropical t-shirt. Nanny has a bright pink earrings on. Hello, you two. They gather the girls into a big hug. Nanny smells like roses. Granddad doesn't. We have a secret, says Ella. What is it? Whispers Nanny. She's very good at keeping secrets. We made something for Dad, whispered Ella. The girls take Nanny and Granddad by the hand to the kitchen. Ooh, says Nanny. Cupcakes, says Granddad a bit too loudly. Shh, whispers both girls. It's a secret. Ding dong, the doorbell goes again. More visitors have arrived. Olivia runs to open the door. Josh and Charlie, Ella cries. Charlie and Josh, Olivia cries. Their twins are dressed in matching shirts and shorts. They have sandy brown hair and freckles. Freckles run in the family. Soon everyone's in the kitchen. There are lots of sparklies, fizzy drinks, and fruit juice. There are chips and lollies, a big plate of strawberries and mango. Aunt Laura has hidden the birthday cake in the fridge. Guess what we made? Guess. Olivia asks Josh. Josh shrugs. He has no idea. He said. We made delicious cupcakes, Ella says, showing her cousins a tray from behind her back. The boys licked their lips. Yum, said Josh. Did you make them, Ella? Asked Charlie. Ella nodded. Olivia helped me too. So did Mum, she says. Hope you like them. Chapter 5. It's time for the party to start. The presents have to be opened. Dad is very excited. He loves birthdays. He tears open the wrapping papers and ribbons. He snorts when he reads his cards. Dad gets some new socks and a t-shirt. He even tries on his new swimming goggles. He wears them to unwrap Ella's and Olivia's present. Dad carefully pulls at the wrapping paper. Ella isn't so sure. Dad can see through the goggles. 100 jokes for Dad. Dad holds up the present. Everyone claps. Max burps loudly. He's excited too. Dad opens up the book. He snorts again. What time is it when an elephant sits on your fence? Ella knows the answer. said Granddad. Said Uncle Star. Olivia remembers the answer too. Ella read it to her. It's time to get a new fence, she cried. Then everyone laughs. Dad has a big smile on his face. Soon it is time to have the birthday cake and the cupcakes too. We must put the candles on the cake, Mum says to the girls. It takes a long time. Mum and Auntie Laura lights the candles. Ella and Olivia carry their trays of cupcakes out to the table. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Everyone starts to sing. Dad goes red. He takes a deep breath and blows out the candles. Everyone claps. Mum cuts the cake. Look at you, clever cookies, Dad says. His princesses have made cupcakes. Are these cupcakes for me? He says. He takes the brown cupcakes and bites into them. Ella waits. Does it taste good? Dad faces puzzles. He chews and chews and chews. This is not a good sign, thinks Ella. Oh dear, Dad looks confused. I think you should try one, he whispered to Ella. Ella picks up an orange one. She bit into the icing is sweet, but the cupcake is salty. She barely swallowed. Yuck! Oh no, says Mum. She takes a bite. I think you might have used salt instead of sugar in the batter. Oh no. Ella feels terrible. This cupcake is a catastrophe. Now no one can eat the pretty cupcakes. I can't believe we made salty cupcakes, Ella says. Olivia and I spent so much time baking. We did everything perfectly. Then Ella realizes Olivia is still learning to spell. Ella didn't check the ingredients. That's how the salt was put in instead of the sugar. We're so sorry, Dad, Ella and Olivia says. Don't worry, Dad says. You're the girls are the best. I will never forget that you made me something so special. Ella and Olivia soon forgot about the cupcakes. There was more presents to unwrap and games to play. Happy birthday, Dad.
If you'd like to know how to find all of our stories, type Living Books for World Changes into the YouTube search bar, press go, select Living Books for World Changes videos, and you can find all our stories there. We upload new stories every Thursday. We love sharing stories with you. Come back and don't forget to like and subscribe.